You see this car, Beckett?
Yeah.
It's no longer there. Hi guys, and welcome back to Kids Fun Lab. My name is Lincoln.
My name is Beckett.
This is Kids Fun Lab. Today we're doing the Jelly Baff Toy Challenge.
So our mom and dad have put 6 Hot Wheels toys in these bins full of bath slime. We're gonna have to find them. And whoever finds all 6 Hot Wheels toys first wins. So
let's get to it. 3, 2, 1, go. Ew. Oh, no. Ow. Ew, 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 ew,
I found one.
ew.
It's a Hot Wheels bag.
I can't find anything. Oh, I was touching something. This does not smell good. Oh, I found something.
I found a car.
This is like a lizard, I think.
Look at this car.
It's so awkward. Like, it's warm. It's like a giant Slurpee.
It's way bigger.
I found a Mystery Models Hot Wheels
Look, I
bag.
found my favorite monster truck.
Cool.
What is this?
Ew.
I found a car. It's a piranha.
I got something.
What? What is it?
It's big. It's a monster truck, but it's like a ram.
Lincoln, I found a monster truck.
I found 3.
I found 4. Oh, I found one right here.
I see something.
Car.
Oh, I found something.
What?
This is like an alligator car. Found something.
I can't find anything.
Oh, it's like
I need a hint.
it's like
Or
a
something.
double motorcycle. This one's called a side ripper.
I can't find any more. But I won. Look. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
No, I only needed one more.
Yay!
Dang it.
Yay for me.
Yeah.
Yay for me. Yay, yay, yay.
Oh, I found it. This one's like an army car looking
It's
thing.
a fighter car. It's a dino hunter, Lincoln.
Yeah. I think my favorite Hot Wheels one was the dinosaur hunter. Because it has like stripes and stuff. And it has 2 guns.
My favorite is Gravedigger because he's my favorite monster truck. I saw Gravedigger in real life because I went to a Monster Jam show with my parents.
And me.
Oh yeah,
I'm gonna open up my mystery model one.
me too.
I'm gonna feel what's inside. Oh, it's like long. It's like up to there.
I'm opening up mine. Oh, my car fell.
It has orange wheels. That's all I know about yours.
Oh,
What?
it's silver.
I got the same one.
What?
Look. It comes with a sticker.
What is it called?
Our car is called RD_808. It's really like shiny and flashy.
Is there all
If you
the
put it in
different
light,
colors
look.
you can get? It's really chunky wheels.
Yeah. These monster trucks come with cool cars that you can crush.
Well,
Like this.
Well, this one came with a lamp.
Yeah.
Gravedigger came with a car.
Mine's different than yours. Wait. It's gonna crash too, guys. Watch out.
Slime it. Oh, Toro Loco.
This one is called Zombie Hunter. That's Monster Truck's name. But has a chrome finish. Like a shiny chrome finish. It is so beautiful.
I got a Toro Loco, but this is the Stars and Stripe collection.
You see this car, Beckett?
Yeah.
It's no longer there. Oh yeah, and Beckett. This one is from the Dino set 2. And there's also this blue one that I found. It's called Side Ripper. They're 2 motorcycles put together. It's like you take a motorcycle, and you go, and you have a car.
Speedy Perez, number 6. Look, it has a 6 on it. And he's really speedy because he's super slick.
My favorite is this one. I had so much fun playing with all these things and especially touching this stuff. It's
Me too.
super slimy. I don't even know what it's made of,
Me too. I had so much fun digging into here and finding all these toys. Especially my favorite monster truck. Would you ever try Jelly Baff
In your
bathtub?
Comment down below if you would. Thanks for watching Kids Fun Them. And don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe button, and
that notification bell to never miss
one of our videos. See you next time on Kids Fun Them. Peace. Woo! Vroom, 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 vroom.
Hey, stop that.